Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty crazy day for the overall markets. Big gap down, then a relatively big drop. Then to give credit's due, the price did, it's not like it fully recovered or anything, but from these lows right here, did make a good respectable bounce all the way up to that area. But now we have just that much more data about a general area on the chart that I want to focus on. And I should note that before I put this green line where it goes, I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special talent. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have all taken notice of this level. And I say all that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it, whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on with this green line down here at, let's call it 410.75. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and generally speaking, acted as support, and then today, again, acted as support. So that's one of those areas where if the price does go back down there, you're going to have all sorts of people, and while nothing's guaranteed, it's a more than valid and rational thought to think that, if the price breaks below that area, that could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. So that area is going to be one that, is very, very important from the overall standpoint. Again, especially after today where we got another data point of confirmation that, that level is indeed a very key level of support. In the event that price does get tested and breaks down below it, at that point, while nothing's guaranteed, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price then potentially drift down to that 407 mark. Now, in the event the price starts to recover back upwards, let me zoom back in here. At this point, in my opinion at least, it's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes a very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average, which is currently valid at the 417 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, those are going to be the two main levels that I think stand out the most and that most people will be watching. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.